Hey everybody, Adam Christofferson, Winnebago Towables. We're here today to highlight the changes to the 2020 Spyder travel trailer from Winnebago Towables. In particular, we're going to show the 23 FB. That is our smallest non-slide toy hauler travel trailer. So a couple things to highlight on the outside here is we went from Luan to Azdel composite backing. So being more conscious about the materials that we're using, a fully composite sidewall now. Another nice feature here is a 30 by 72 main entry door. I know toy haulers are known for the toys that you load from the ramp, but having a 30-inch wide entry door makes it easier for loading and unloading all the other goods that you take with you. So another change here, nitrogen, or highlight here, nitrogen filled tires and the equalizer that you can see here. So that will help with your suspension and a better ride when you're adding all the weight from the cargo that you're loading. So come on back to the back here. I want to talk about the new and improved feature, our 0G ramp door. So for those of you who have loaded and unloaded toys here, you know that the ramp door is always heavy and cumbersome. Here, the 0G ramp door is very lightweight, easy to go up and down because we've got strut assisting there. Also, it is a keyed entry, so you don't have the cam bars there to lock it shut, which can cause rust or oxidation over time. Some other highlights here are going to be the LED brake lights, high mount LED brake lights for safety, backup camera prep, and then as you can see here that we have on are the bright LED lights for loading those toys at night. So we're going to head on up the ramp here, but before we do, we're going to talk about this new magnetic screen. You can see the great Winnebago branding in that screen there. So we got magnets all around it. Right now we have the nets rolled up so you can let that ventilation in and out, but if you want, you can actually unroll that canvas down and block some of that airflow coming in and out. So come on up the ramp door here. Kind of cool, like we said, magnetic feature. Another improvement here is the Beaver Tail. A Beaver Tail was added for 2020 for ease of loading all of those toys, your quads, ATVs, motorcycles. You've got 13 feet 9 inches of garage storage here to get all your toys in here. As you come through, you can see we do have the optional Happy Jack unit in this bed, which increases your sofa seating and your bunk bed style sleeping. We focus on interiors this year, more residential look. We went to a shaker style door. We looked at residential trends, black hardware that we integrated. Nice glass insert here, giving it a good contrast. We've got a nice modern edge to the countertops. You can see a large single stainless steel bowl sink in here with a really nice kind of modern edgy toy hauler type faucet sprayer. Black hardware and like we mentioned, and black appliances are coming back in with residential trends, so we wanted to incorporate black and stainless. So you can see the black and stainless integrated into the range and vent hood. We've got the black and stainless appointed flush mount range, which gives you additional countertop space, and the stainless steel reefer inserts. We went with backsplash, a more aggressive backsplash, ones that that's becoming more of a trend in residential. So now we can run this all the way up. We can route around windows to really kind of make that pop. So give you a good first impression impact when you come through. We are going to head to the bathroom now, where we want to focus on a large 48-inch shower with seat. I'm 6'2". You can see I have plenty of head height. Got the nice seat here. And again, being 48 inches, great elbow room. So good feature in a 23 FB non-slide toy hauler. So now we're going to head to the bedroom to highlight some of those features. Standard is going to be a 60 by 80 queen bed. The option that we're showing here is the residential king bed. So again, in a non-slide toy hauler, getting a king bed is a nice feature. There will be storage underneath the bed, hanging shirt closets on both sides of the bed, so you do have plenty of storage in this smaller non-slide travel trailer. So some highlights that we're featuring for 2020 are the Comfort Tech package, Explorer package, and a new 3-year structural warranty. So our Comfort Tech package, that is going to focus on extended season camping. So you have a fully enclosed underbelly. You've got a radiant foil wrapping that goes in the floors as well. And we've got heat ducts to the underbelly and the holding tank. So as long as your furnace is on in cooler climate camping, you're gonna not freeze those tanks, and that's gonna give you some extended season camping. On the flip side, in warmer climates, we've got a radiant foil technology that goes in the roof and down the front cap. So then the hot days, it will reflect the sun's UV rays. Also, a nice feature on those hot days is we've got our true Trax AC design. In all of our Spyder travel trailers and toy haulers and fifth wheels, you will have a true Trax AC design, which will give you a continuous ducted airflow. You will not have certain channels that will restrict airflow. So at night, you can close off all of the vents in the lounge area and force more air to the bedroom area to keep that cool, or vice versa. During the day, close off the bedroom and force more air to your living areas. We have our Explorer package. Explorer package is going to give you the not so necessary features, but kind of the nice amenities to have when you're out camping. So larger off-road or larger, upgraded tires, roof mount, solar prep, Wi-Fi prep. So we're going to have some of those not necessary features, but some of those nice features for people who may be going for extended times or working from the road as well. And then lastly, our 3-year structural warranty. We have introduced that for 2020 model year. We have retroed that to any 2020 Winnebago towable for this year. So this has been a feature update and highlight of the 2020 Spyder travel trailer, the 23FB from Winnebago Towables. Look for more floor plans and more information to start rolling to dealers' lots fall of 2019 and into early 2020. Thank you.